Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to teach you some interesting phrases that you can use in your daily conversation and can enhance your communication skill. And most of the time we have to face these kind of words, but we don't understand the meaning of it. So if you are also facing this kind of problem, don't worry about it. Your problem gonna be resolved. Let's start it. So the first phrase I have, and this is call off. Now what's that mean? Call off basically means to cancel something. So for example, we have to call off the meeting due to some reason. It basically means that we have to cancel the meeting due to some reason. Let's move on second one. Now the second one we have go over. Go over, what's that mean? So the go over basically means to review something or to check something again. For example, I recommend you before submitting your test, you should have to go over it. It means you have to review that thing again. Or I recommend you to go over the contract. That's how you can use the word go over, which basically means to review or to check something again. Let's move on third one. Now the third one, put off. Put off, what's that mean? So whenever you need to use the word like delay or to postpone something, so you can use the word put off. Put off. For example, we have to put off the meeting because our manager is busy, or which basically means that we have to delay the meeting because our manager is busy. That's how we can use the word or the phrasal verb put off. Let's move on fourth one. Now the fourth one we have put up with. What's that mean? Put up with means to tolerate something. For example, I can't put up with this anymore. It means I cannot tolerate this anymore. That's how you can use it. Now the last one is get away. Get away, what's that mean? Get away means to escape from something. For example, the thief got away before the police arrived. And I hope you understand the meaning of all these phrases. And if you understand, don't forget to subscribe my channel, PL Education. And for more videos, stay connected with PL Education. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.